Hello, YouTube. This is your boy Frederico, Freddy, nigga, Frederick, whatever the fuck you wanna call me. I'm on YouTube today because I just fucking was watching some random ass videos. Some little girl talking about slut shaming. And I don't even know what the fuck slut shaming is. But these girls are little 13-year-old girls obviously know what that shit already is because they obviously are fucking right now. You know that? That's fucked up. To be honest, I don't, if you a slut, I don't fuck with you. Real talk. I don't even get pussy much, but if I get pussy, it ain't gonna be no slut pussy. That's what I'm saying. That's all I got to fucking say. Y'all little ass girls need to stop fucking so early. Real talk. That's why Joe Rogan said the dumb people are gonna outfuck the smart people. These little ass kids ain't even got their education yet, and they already fucking. You get that? The dumb people are finna outfuck. They gonna outfuck the smart people. Real talk. It's happening now. Cause these little ass babies having babies. Get it, y'all, YouTube. Alright.